Buddy, naghahanap ka ba ng minimalist house na malapit sa Manila and Airport for as low as 14,000 monthly? If yes, don't skip this video. This is Pao Pipito, your home search buddy. Yes, ito na nga buddy, ang pinaka-affordable na townhouse na malapit sa Manila and Airport. May lot area ito na 50 square meters, kaya naman may provision for one carport at floor area na 50 square meters. Ito ay may 3 bedroom at 1 toilet and bath. Buddy, meron nga itong room sa ground floor at pwede nyo rin itong gamitin as extension ng inyong living area. Nasa loob rin ito ng complete township community. Very accessible sa lahat dahil malapit ito sa Cavitex at Cavite Laguna Expressway connecting to Daanghari, Vermosa, Villar City, and Alabang. Kaya naman buddy, kung nagustuhan mo to, send me direct message para ma-schedule natin ang exclusive house viewing mo. So, bye-bye!